Welcome everybody. The current session covers the concept of finding the unique values in the column and columns and also calling out the unique values from a particular column. There are two functions that we are going to highlight over here. Firstly, the unique function. Whenever we want to get a distinctive value within a particular column, we tend to use a unique function. It's a series function. By series we mean it can just be used on a single column. If we'll try to use it on more than one column, we will be getting an error. Now moving on to the unique function. Through this function, we get the unique values that are present within a particular column. Again, best part about unique is it is pretty flexible. That is, it could be used on both a series as well as on the data frame. For illustration purpose, we are using the Titanic dataset. This is part of the Seaborn package. Therefore, firstly we are going to import Seaborn and Pandas. Post that, we are going to define a data that will hold the Titanic dataset. Ultimately, we will be writing data within square brackets p class dot unique. Over here, we want to identify what all are the unique values that are present within this column by name p class. And in form of an output, we are getting an array that is having three unique values in form of 3, 1 and 2. Ultimately, it tells us that p class is having these three unique values. For n unique, we are starting with data followed by a square bracket inside which another square bracket is there, which is having two columns, firstly survived and p class, and ultimately dot n unique. By n unique we mean that we really are looking for the unique values that are present within these two columns. Again, we are looking for count of unique values, not exactly the unique values. And in answer, we are going to get unique values for both the columns, that is survived and p class. In this scenario, we gave an example of two columns. In case we just want any one column, then we can just strike off any one of these columns and ultimately we'll be getting answer. We believe to add some value to your existing knowledge. Thank you for watching. Please go through other videos in the playlist.